For this main axle crossbeam now, I'm going to use the old bush as a drift for the new bush. So let's tap that in and see how it feels. That tapped in, no bother at all. So I'm going to turn it over and put the other one in from the other side. And that is how we are looking. Little gap in the middle, I'm going to fill all that with grease. They tapped in lovely. So the valve clearance was checked and corrected there to factory spec. So I'm just going to give this gasket surface a little better clean up. So I've got the front axle main crossbeam assembled, greased up, the pin gone through it, starting handle used to check valve clearance, thermostat housing on, rock cover on, and the exhaust manifold sitting on there with new gaskets. So I'm going to keep going, see what else I can get fitted. So now on with the water pump housing and a new gasket and some Indian head. So this is as far as I've got this evening. Downswept exhaust is on. I managed to find a place to bolt it on the rear axle in there. It's full of water, I've got petrol in it. I just have to set the timing, put in the spark plugs, there's fuel in it there, put on the battery lead, and I'm going to start it. I'm just going to put an extra jack under the front axle, so that means we'll have a jack, an axle stand and another jack. That'll keep it nice and steady. So it's looking more complete now than it has been in the last month. So I'm looking forward to trying it for a start, and hopefully it's making the right sounds. I've decided now to put on the front axle and the wheels. It's just going to be a bit safer for starting. So I'm just putting on the radius arms. And one little job I do with these is because the ball usually wears. That ball there usually wears. So I've put a little bit of metal in there and grease and tighten it up, and that usually takes the wear out of it.